Hey guys, so I'm here at the Apple Museum in the Netherlands and I'm working on fixing some of their items that they have in the collection, including like this Macintosh Plus, which they say not working and need to check. So I thought maybe this is a good opportunity to shoot some videos on repairing common issues with vintage Macs. And so the problem here is that we have a chime, but of course no display. We can turn the volume, not the volume, of course, the brightness knob all the way up, but nothing happens. So this is a very common issue with the classic 128, the Mac Plus, the 128 and the 512, and it's due to some solder joints that crack. A good way to test this is simply to smack it. So watch carefully. Fixed. So that was the typical repair procedure, but in fact we're going to open it up and look at the defect in more detail. Okay, so got the Mac open on its side. The analog board was never serviced before because it still has the original sticky pad and they were stuck on. Now, if we look at the back of the main connector that goes to the logic board, so that's this cable here, you would see that there are some pins all together which look good, but then you see the video one, and the video one is developing some cracks. So it's got cracked solder joint right there. So that's what is preventing the Mac from showing a good picture. So what the solution is in this case is to clean up this solder here and apply fresh new one, and it will be good for a very long time. Now this board here is all original, so it may also need new capacitors, especially C1, which may be slightly bulging, but that always needs to be replaced with a polymer capacitor, and also the other one may need to be refreshed. So this does not have the exploding refa capacitor, so that's good. These may fail, and if they fail, they will short out either line to earth or neutral to earth, so that will trip your breaker at home, and everything else, it's pretty fine. You can also tell that this machine has been used, but not by a lot, by the color of the epoxy sealant here. As it turns darker, it means that it's been used more. And you can also tell if there are issues if the heat sinks here start turning darker or show like rainbow patterns or discoloration, because that means that they got really hot. You can also tell by looking at the back of the board, because it will look darker. Finally, the last thing to look for is the connector here for the yoke. Sometimes it doesn't make a good connection and it will heat up and it will melt the plastic or turn it very dark, like a very dark brown. This one here actually looks really good. So that's about it. We're going to refresh the solder joints right here, and it's probably going to be working again. Thanks a lot for watching. See you next time. Bye.